Crush mo liking you back. Crush ka din niya, maniwala ka. And do believe, yes, totoo. Okay, oo, okay. Crush mo liking you back. Crush, okay. Crush, okay. Ano nagustuhan niya sa'yo? Even you to him or her. Okay, crush mo liking you back. Paano ba yun? Yung maging crush ka din ng crush mo. How? Okay. Crush mo liking you back. Sana ay magustuhan ka na din niya pabalik. Totoo, okay, oo. Okay, yes, okay. Crush mo liking you back. Ano ba nagustuhan mo sa kanya? Or ikaw, ano nagustuhan mo sa kanya? Okay, your crush likes you too. Okay, why? Yes. How? Okay. Crush mo liking you back. Ano most attractive sa'yo or ta kanya? Why do you like him, love him? Like her, love her so much or likewise, okay. Crush mo liking you back, okay. Ano ba ibig sabihin nun? Ang meaning nun ay yung crush mo. Crush ka din pabalik, yes. Oo. Okay. Crush mo liking you back, okay. You deserve to be loved and be taken good care of. Okay, crush mo liking you back. Yes, true. It's nice if naibalik sa'yo ang concern na sinushow mo sa kanya, okay. Okay, yes, okay. Opo, okay. Crush mo liking you back. It's a nice feeling, okay. Magaan sa pakiramdam. Love, crush, attention, care. Like, okay. Crush mo liking you back. Return what you feel. Crush mo liking you back. Masarap sa pakiramdam kapag sinabi niya din sa'yo na crush ka din niya, yes. Oo, totoo, okay. Crush mo liking you back. Have a great day. Appreciate coffee mornings with your crush or a lunch date with him or with her. Okay, yes. Opo, true. Okay. Crush mo liking you back. Like, comment, subscribe. Speak up, dear. Okay. Everything feels fine. With your crush, with you. Speak up, dear. Speak up, dear.